Out of fear of what?
Fear of him losing his immigration status or not being able to, that he might be deported if he actually goes through with the police report. I don't know how the law works, and to that extent, I didn't know that he had any kind of protection. I don't know if he does, and I'm very fearful of that, even now.
All right. Anything else from anyone else?
Your Honor, I would just say information.
Just one second. Any questions with regards to facts?
Okay, how many questions about facts?
All right.
Thank you, ma'am. Your Honor, reading the PSI report, the PSI reports recommending deferred adjudication. My client has been admonished by myself as to what deferred adjudication is. He's also been admonished by myself as to the consequences of violating any conditions imposed upon him. And lastly, Judge, he's been admonished as to what this court will do and what the court's tolerance level is for any violations, and that he will be held fully accountable if he does violate and if this court does not play around. I know that, and he's been admonished as well, that this court does believe in equity and justice, and he understands that violating any terms and conditions that the court would impose upon him, what the court's going to do if he does violate those conditions. And Your Honor, my client's 21 years old. Again, he's a full-time college student. He's working. He is actively engaged in mental health treatments on a weekly basis. He has never been in trouble before, Your Honor. And respectfully, we ask that the court grant a term of 8 years deferred adjudication, or in the alternative, 8 years community supervision, Judge. We do not believe he is a threat, an ongoing threat to this community.
Judge, if I may, I just want to correct something he said. I don't believe that PSI recommends deferred adjudication. It only indicates that he is eligible for it. My understanding is that all PSIs don't make a recommendation as to whether a defendant should be on community supervision, only that if they are eligible under the condition.
That is correct.
Here you go.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to find you guilty. The court is taking in consideration 2024 CR 010521, CM 119819. And I want you to know that I did listen to all of your witnesses, and I took all of that in consideration, as well as the PSI report and as well as your statement. The court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $3,000 fine, time, and money to run concurrent. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. All right, good luck to you.
Judge, before we begin this, if I may, could we also have that no contact order that's part of the plea agreement attached to this?
No, I said no contact with the complainant.
Sorry, I missed it. Sorry.
No problem.
Your Honor.
Thank you. Yes.
I don't know what court's policy is. May my client's mother give him one last hug? It might be some.
No, they don't allow that.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Your
you.
Honor.